welcome to Sunnice News. Myself, Sunnice. Apple has introduced two new colors variants for iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 with alpine green and green color respectively. Customers in India, along with more than 30 other countries, will able to pre-book the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max in alpine green and iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini in green beginning from Friday, that is on March 11. And the devices will be made available from next Friday, that is on March 18, 2022 respectively. The new iPhone 13 lineup features sleek design which have been made for more durability. The handset features a ceramic shield front cover and is powered by A15 Bionic chipset for an advanced 5G experience. The smartphone comes with upgraded camera system and an approved battery life. In the launch event which took place last night, Apple stated that iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini are set to offer a bright Super Retina XDR display, and on the other hand, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max will feature a vibrant Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion. The iPhone 13 Pro, which is available in new alpine green color variant, and iPhone 13 which is available in green color variant will start the pre-order from this Friday onwards, that is March 11, and will be made available from March 18, 2022 onwards. Both iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max are available in 5 variants now, that is blue, gold, silver, graphite and new alpine green. 4 storage variants in 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max are available at the starting price of $999 in USA and $1099 in US respectively. On the other hand, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini are available in 5 color variants, that is red, starlight, midnight, blue and pink, and will be available in the new green variant in 128GB, 256GB and 512GB storage option with a starting price of $799 in USA and $699 in USA respectively. That's all for today. Thank you.